How much on your lantern?
How much on
Yeah.
that?
$5. Deal.
Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app.
Ugh, it's okay. Ugh.
I'm gonna be on the wall.
Okay, give me your hand. Look both ways. Okay.
One.
I said look both ways.
Oh, I see it. I see it.
You see the yard sale? Let's go. Let's go take a look. Good morning, how are you?
How are you?
Good, thanks.
Oh, I see a toy.
You see one? Okay, hold on. That's a helmet. Sissy needs a helmet, doesn't she?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come here for a sec.
I'm gonna put this on me.
I'm gonna buy a bunch of hats, okay?
Oh, that's cool. I'm gonna put it on me. Look. I don't need this. Nobody uses this one.
Okay.
What's your name?
Is that one gonna be too big? So maybe this white one here.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe that one. You wanna get that one? Okay, deal. Let's see.
Hey, maybe I don't want this.
Maybe you don't want it?
Yeah. I want to put it back.
Okay. Are we gonna get that? Okay, let's just lay it down for a second, okay? So you don't break it. Put it right there. Deal? Would you do 25 on the whole box of hats? Would you do 25 like on the whole box of hats? I think there's 20 in there.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. Here, let's just make a little pile. Okay? That right there. Okay. Okay, come over here with me for a sec. Look at this guy. I like that. Yeah, let's get him too.
How old are you, baby? Are
Oh.
you 4?
Yeah, you are 4.
Oh my goodness.
I am 4.
You are 4.
I have a little grandson that's 2.
Yeah, and I have a lot of friends.
You have a lot of friends. Good.
One of my friends
I know you'll have a lot of friends. Do you go to preschool?
No,
Not yet.
he stays at home.
And Maverick is my best friend too.
What's
Maverick?
his name?
Maverick.
Maverick.
Maverick. Oh, yeah.
And Maverick has so many toys.
Oh, he does.
And he has a look at
What?
That's for Sissy.
You want to get that for Sissy?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, we'll put it over here. How much are the sweatshirts here?
Huh?
How much are the sweatshirts?
$2.
$2. Okay. Yeah, sure.
And Mommy will buy
Well, you don't need poker chips. Okay.
this. Yeah. Huh, Daddy.
Sorry, just looking.
Yeah.
Is Olive off yet? Is she a baby?
Oh no, she'll be 3 in December.
She can walk.
Oh, she can walk.
Yeah, my son let us watch.
Oh, yeah.
Do
Well, look
they?
at that. That's magic, isn't it?
And this one does.
Is that magic? When you jump? Yeah.
Yeah, they're the suits.
I see.
Yes.
You're a pistol.
All right. Guess the last thing real quick. How much on these two?
3 each.
3 each? Okay.
Man.
Man. And let's pay her up, okay? See what we got.
$50.
50. There you go. I can start backing this stuff up.
I'll get some paper to wrap around.
Okay, sure.
Can you get it?
I think so. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Do they have something?
Yeah,
Okay.
I got one.
Let's go take a look.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm spotting one.
You spotted one? Good morning.
Whoa.
Stuff for him.
Did you find something?
And if you find something you like, I can
Okay.
negotiate on prices.
Sure.
Does not work. I think it's turned off.
You do?
Oh, that's. Whoa. Is this like my other one?
Do you have one like that?
Yeah. Whoa.
Okay. Okay, hurry up and get a truck. Do you want the mask?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Is that what you want?
It's this.
A weight?
Look.
Oh, for your exercises?
Yeah.
All right, come on, let's go pay for it.
Look.
Sure. There you go. Thank you so much. Good job. There you go. Good job.
Thank you.
Tell her to have a good day, buddy.
Let's hear everybody.
Okay, let's go.
Boy.
Tell her to have a good day. Did you get a pretty good haul today?
Yeah.
You did? Yeah. You got a weight, you got a mask, you got a crane machine, you got a dog, and you bought Mommy and Sissy some stuff. Right?
And I bought this for me.
Yeah.
Some exercise.
Yeah, because you work out all the time, right?
Yeah.
You sure do. You're good at jumping jacks, you're good at push-ups.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And these.
Yeah. All right. All right.
So much fun, so much fun, so much fun.
This way.
Oh, is there a cat right there?
Where? Oh, it's a fake one.
That's a fake.
I see something good, Elliot. That's pretty cool. How much on your lantern?
How much am
Yeah. 5. Deal.
I? Daddy, I'm gonna buy this for Sissy.
You're gonna get that for Sissy?
Yeah.
Okay. How about the saxophone? Yeah. Did she?
Hey.
Those are both 25 cents.
Okay.
Oh.
Saxophone, maybe 10.
10? Sure. Okay. Okay, get her some stuff. I'm gonna go put these over here real quick. I'm gonna keep looking for a second. Oh, you 15 so far. Here, don't lose your mask.
I got off these for Sissy.
Okay.
I'm gonna put them all right here.
You wanna go put them in our pile?
No. Buy Sissy a bracelet too.
That's a good idea.
Look what I buy Sissy. Look.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, Sissy
She probably
was.
like Cinderella, right?
Yes, you. She was.
Oh, look at the frog, Elliot.
What?
I said, look at the frog.
Oh.
Yeah, I just need to rinse that a little bit.
Okay.
Hey,
It was in all of
I want so many things for Sissy. Some of the unicorns for My Little Pony.
Okay, that's a good idea. Is that
And she can have Pinkie Pie.
is that her
too.
pile right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
You're so generous.
hey, I will buy Sissy Sky thing like I do have one.
Okay.
Daddy, what good I'm giving to Sissy?
Yep, she'll like that one. She loves Sky.
Yeah.
I think I want to go look at one more thing.
Okay. I'm trying to get them to answer me, but they're doing something.
Okay.
This.
Okay.
Because I love this guy.
You do?
Not, but not this guy.
All right, what are we getting her?
This works.
Are we getting her that?
I'm gonna steal this thing. Hello.
Okay. Are we getting her this?
Yeah. I wanna hold her.
All right, I think that says 2.
Okay, yeah, it does.
So we were at 15, and then I don't have prices on. So 17 with that over there.
I'll say $1, $1, so $2. These are pretty much $2, $1.50, so.
Okay. 22. That works.
Okay, bye. Thank
Let's just do 25. Don't worry about it.
Oh, I have change.
Don't worry about it. We're good.
Do you need help?
I might just make 2 trips.
Well, I don't.
I'll come back for the saxophone.
Okay.
Thank you.
I got
All right, buddy, this way. All right, guys, we are back in the garage. Honestly, when we left the house this morning, I was not expecting a lot, but we ended up finding some really great stuff that I'm pretty excited about. And it was just fun to spend the morning with Elliot. He's not been yard selling for a while, and he asked if he could go. And who am I to say no to that kind of fun, right? Real quick before I show you everything, I do want to say on a personal note that the channel has hit some pretty substantial milestones lately. It's been kind of a whirlwind, and I just want you all to know that I appreciate every view, every comment, every like, every subscription. I just want you to know that the excitement and the appreciation is not lost on me. So thank you very much. This is really exciting for all of us. All right, so let's take a look at some of the stuff we picked up to resell. All right, at this first sale, I found a lot of really cool stuff. I think I paid $50 total at this sale, and I mean, some of that was part of Elliot's haul. So all in all, we got a really good deal. Got this Charlie Chaplin statue made in Italy. It's signed on the bottom. Just thought that would look really good in the booth right there. I mean, it'd probably do better on eBay, but it seems kind of fragile, so I don't really want to ship it. But it is very cool. Got a few hoodies, 1 Notre Dame and 2 Boise States. They were only $2 a piece, and I figured they had to be worth more than $2 a piece, especially with that awesome graphic right there. Got a set of Speed Stacks. I used to do really well on these. I don't think they do as good anymore, but I don't think I paid very much either, and I'm sure that we can still make a little bit of money. But it's got the caps with the quick release on it. It's got the timer, it's got the mat, and it's got the case. So I'm sure we'll be able to sell those for a little bit of money. Picked up this little GE tape recorder. It's got some dust on it, but I'm gonna clean it up, and as long as it works, I think I paid $2 for it right there. These can sell upwards of about $30, I think. I thought this little framed baseball picture was just kind of neat, and I thought it might look good in the antique booth. I think that was marked at $2. And then we have these over here. These were $3 a piece, again for the antique booth. Here's like a Brickyard 400 program with a couple tickets all framed and matted and stuff. Something I probably wouldn't bother with selling online, I don't think, but since we're in Indiana, that should do well in my booth, I think. And then this is a framed pennant from Victory Field. This is where our local minor league baseball team plays. So I just thought that was kind of neat, and I definitely thought these were worth $3 a piece. So I did grab those. And then probably my favorite thing from that sale was this box of hats. There's some really cool stuff in here that I think has some pretty good potential. Mainly, there are 2 of these Orthene hats. There's one, and then there's the other. And most of these are in pretty good shape, all things considered. I'll probably have to vacuum out some of the foam because you know what happens to these old trucker caps. But these patches are really cool. I can't find any recent comps on these exact hats, but there is one Orthene hat that has a dead grasshopper on it that sold for like $156. So I think these cool roach patches. Should do pretty well. So I think I'm going to price these high and just let them sit, because I really don't have too much into each one of these, and I can wait for the right buyer. Same with this Talon rodenticide hat. Again, no comps on it, but just that patch is so cool. And I think these are all like K Products hats, which usually do really well for me. But these are just really cool looking trucker caps that I'm really excited about. There were some things in here that I didn't necessarily care about, but I felt weird just kind of leaving a few hats in here. Is why I made an offer on all of them. But I honestly think a lot of these should sell for probably 10 to 15 bucks a piece with no problem. This bright pink Myers rum hat, Trapper LTD. This River Downs I think should do pretty well. It's a pretty cool graphic on it. Nokomis Beach, Florida. I believe there's 2 of these Peregrine Patrol hats. Kind of a neat little patch on them. That one's kind of neat. Stick 'em. Lee Supply Corp. Greater Metro Area Apartment Tour Guide. Probably one I would have left behind. I don't know what this is, but it's kind of interesting looking. Contract all-weather blocks. Microgen. Oh, there's the other Peregrine Patrol. This one's really dirty, but it should clean up okay. It's just a Hard Rock Dallas hat. Panama Beach Polo Club. And there's a Mickey down in there. And then a couple of these. I have no idea what these are. Apco West Indy. I'm not sure. But there are those few that I really like that I think should do really well. And eventually, these other ones should sell too, I think. Just clean them up a little bit, take nice pictures, and let them sit. At the second sale, I didn't find anything. Elliot found a couple, but he's off playing with a friend right now. The third sale, we did really well there too. I think I paid $1 a piece or so for these. These are little Motorola headsets, swivel earpiece, blah blah blah. I think these should sell for about 15 bucks a piece, so that's okay for $1 each. Of course, I had to get this little frog with the wide open mouth, signed DW on the bottom, just a nice little ceramic frog. There's a nice little wolf sculpture, signed Red Mill 92, number 344. And then we got an old saxophone. Definitely not the best of shape, but I only paid like 10 bucks for it. It's a vintage Bundy Selmer, I believe. Case is definitely rough. The saxophone itself is rough, but I just plan to sell it for parts. It's been a while, but I've had luck just like selling old horns like this, just like barn find type horns for parts, and people buy them to restore them, and I usually do pretty well on them, especially when you only pay 10 bucks. So that's a definite pickup right there. I mean, it's intact. Got the neck and everything. It's got the mouthpiece down in there, but there's no big dents or cracks or anything, so it would definitely be restorable in my opinion. But yeah, I'll certainly pay 10 bucks for something like that all day long, because I think that we should do pretty well on it. And then the last thing I got there was actually really cool. I saw this thing from the road, and I was surprised it was still sitting there. But it's an old Coleman lantern. This is a model 220K. And it's in very good shape. It's dusty because that's what happens to these things. They sit in people's garages, and then they lose interest in them. They get new ones, and they don't really see the value in these. But people love these old Coleman lanterns, and I love that it has the original yellow carry case with it. I've never found one with the carry case, so that definitely helps sell it. I'll clean it up a little bit. This is model 220K. Unfortunately, it's not a 200A, which does really well. But these are dated 1983, both of them, so they've probably spent their entire lives together, which is pretty cool. But I've seen clean versions of this exact setup for over $200, and I've seen them go for a lot lower too. I'm just gonna get it looking as nice as I can. I'll probably test it out, and I'm gonna shoot pretty high for it, I think. Definitely pick up these when you see them, especially when they're as cheap as $5. I mean, that's a no-brainer. The case is worth X amount times that. So very cool. Very excited to find that. All right, guys, so that is all I got for you this time. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye.
When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.